Isn't that amazing? I mean, 8 years of suffering,
Yes.
and now it's gone.
Correct.
Good morning, I'm Dr. Deuk, and I'm actually here with one of my patients who just had surgery yesterday, right? On your spine?
Yep.
And you had pain in your thoracic spine from a herniated degenerated disc.
Right.
And how long did you have that pain for?
About 8 years.
8 years.
And it just progressively got worse to the point where it would drop me to my knees, the pain. And I was done for the day. And to the point where I would get up in the morning and it hurt.
Treated it with shots and rhizotomies and all kinds of procedures, but they didn't work.
Nope.
And you decided you were going to try Deuk Spine Institute. And yesterday we did a thoracic Deuk laser disc repair with you.
Correct.
At T1011 on the right side. Because we had a CAT scan, and you have a stimulator in your back. You've had all kinds of surgeries, people trying to help you, but you still had that pain.
Correct.
You mentioned a minute ago that your husband, you wish he was alive to see you right now.
Correct.
Why is that?
Because he's the one that watched me suffer through all this pain, and that he couldn't help me, and that bothered him.
Yeah.
And he didn't like seeing. He went through all my surgeries with the fusions and everything like that, and I wish he was here to see me all better.
All better.
All better.
So you came to us yesterday to Deuk Spine for a procedure, the Deuk laser disc repair,
Right.
and you were in pain.
Absolutely. I walked in with pain.
And what about when you left?
I had no pain, and I still have no pain.
Isn't that wonderful?
Oh.
It's gone.
I can go back to living a normal life because I don't know what normal is anymore because of it.
So we identified the source of her pain as being her T1011 disc, and you can watch some footage here where we actually went in endoscopically through the right side in a minimally invasive surgery with a small 4mm quarter-inch incision. And right when we went in to fix the painful disc, we put her to sleep so she wouldn't suffer through the surgery. And 15 minutes later, she woke up. We got her into the recovery area and you went home.
Right, and everybody from the staff, the nurses were great because I have horrible veins. And I said, they're home having margaritas. They decided not to come today. So we had a blast with that. And finally we went in and everything was perfect when I came out.
So here you are, cured of your pain.
Correct. This place is just wonderful.
Say it.
Wonderful, no pain.
Cured. Isn't that
Cured.
amazing? I mean, 8 years of suffering
Yes.
and now it's gone.
Correct.
And you're our 15th thoracic patient, by the way.
Oh,
We just started doing these procedures on the thoracic spine 2 years ago. And we've been very, very successful at getting rid of thoracic pain from a herniated disc. Anything else you want to say to the audience?
everybody, if you have this pain, come here. It's wonderful. The staff is wonderful. They are efficient. And I have had other surgeries from Dr. Deuk in the past before all this came about. And he's just wonderful.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Happy for you.